welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So umndeni kaMseleko is on a family trip at some lodge, and uMangwabe noMakhumalo are there with the kids. Nosne ufikile again with Macele's kids. And then so kuhlelo nje etafuleni around the table at night. They're having dinner, even though Mseleko said it's a self-catering place, but they arranged dinner for them for that night. For that first night, and then they sitting around the table. That's Mseleko yena Usukhathele is going to go to sleep. Acele ukhiye kuMangwabe, meaning that he's going to sleep kuMangwabe that night. And then uMangwabe athi athi uLwandle uzomphelezela endlini. And then uMangwabe athi hayi ungahamba ke, makes a joke ukuthi ushiya ikhadi. And then they laugh about it. noThobile athi hayi imoto zi-right, ipetrol ukhona futhi singasesangweni. And they laugh about it. Mseleko ahambe ke, immediately Mseleko leaves, uSne naye asukume ke like kudlu hamba endlini. And then everyone is shocked with how manje lona uhambelani. Athi uMangwabe yazi if uSne didn't want to engage with us, why did she come to the trip? Because manje bheka ukuthi wenzani. But this was on her diary session. And then umntwanakhe uThando made a comment. Apparently she made a comment, probably she was talking softly, and then the other kids heard her. Owami kaMacele wakhuluma ke ukuthi hawu uThando uthini noma wande. Then they said what Uthando said. They said uthi hawu kuyahamba lokhu. But she called uSne this thing, and everyone was shocked with how uma wakho njalo. And then Umawande and Owami, they're busy narrating what she said. And then everyone was shocked. Don't below Makhumalo no Mangwabe. But Mangwabe was like, if you don't respect yourself, what do you expect a child to do? Ingane vele nazo zibheke wena ukuthi wenzani. And then they laugh about it. And then uMakhumalo no Mangwabe, they sit around just to chat around the fire to just catch up. And Mangwabe sort of fills Makhumalo in because she was not there when Mseleko called them for that family meeting to discuss what she is inviting them to the family trip. And then semtshela yonke indaba ke, but Mayeni saying yena she's not going to cook, bangambali vele lapho. But then they laugh about it with how manje since unengane ke, who's going to cook then? Athi uMakhumalo yazini, even though just that yena akasafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu because bezothiwa papa, so she's just going to leave it because there's supposed to plan for the kids even though Macele has a trip, but she was supposed to sort of communicate with them so they can plan. But then anyway, and then uMayeni ke arrives nomndeni wakhe uMpumelelo umnini no Obanzi.
She's doing it for the kids.
They arrive
late
because she did say
they want to understand why they can come to the trip. So
because
she's there for the kids because they want to be here.
And then they arrived at Mayeni and she doesn't really want to be here.
Apparently
just that
she has not
choice
spoken to
because she has small
Mtombeni
kids, so she has to be here for the kids because the kids won't understand why they cannot go to the family trip.
So since then
and
they've
then
been spoken, they've been said anything to each other. So
akana choice
like
and then Mpumelelo asho naye ukuthi yazi nje amala
she has to
come here because yena nje he
and
had his
then
own
breakfast
then uzoma wakhe sethi come here.
Mtombeni
So here they're here
the
kids are happy obviously because Umnini was crying on the last episode.
And
then in the morning ke breakfast baqale ke bafike in her room. And then kufike no baqale the whole family starts to arrive at the breakfast. We arrange for the place to make them breakfast because they realize ukuthi uma arrange angeke ukudliwe because they don't have food yet, or like there are no plans about cooking. And then they start arriving Makhumalo noMpilo and the other kids. And then the kids, like as usual, they sit alone in their table and the adults in their table. And then umafika uMakhumalo, Umnini was so happy to see uMakhumalo. Like they hugged and like they seem to have such a good relationship, Umnini and uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo was just happy to see him, like oh Umnini na is just there, like oh ma. So it seems like they really have a good relationship. I think it was also seen in the previous episodes or seasons. So Umnini and uMakhumalo have a good relationship. And then afike uMayeni walks in. Umayeni mafika lapha because uMthambeni has been greeting everyone ofikayo. And then says uMayeni hawu Shibase unjani, athi hayi ngikhona. Ayathi ungichawula sino I don't want to ungenza isilima lo ufuna ungichawula, like he wants to shake my hands, is making a fool of me. I'm not going to avela ancabeke kumchawula uMayeni. And then they dish up, they sit around the table. Aqale ke uMseleko brings up indaba kaSne ye podcast, what she said about uMangwabe Noma Khumalo athi nje yena is surprised to see uSne la ku-family trip because he thought uSne was not going to come because ushilo ukuthi nje yena kabafuni uMakhumalo noma Ngwabe. So he thought that uSne won't be here because uMakhumalo noma Ngwabe they're here. Hayi angena uMpumelelo athi hawu baba yazi uyacabanisa wena like khipha indaba ekade say like you bring issues lana etafuleni, things that should not even be spoken about, like idlulile le ndaba kube yayiyeka. Hayi uSne athi vele nomjwayelo babakhe uMseleko is like that, kwazi ukuvusa indaba like for a good 5 years. So nje akanankinga ubabakhe njalo nje. And then amngene ke uMpumelelo babakhe, he went off on uMseleko. uMpumelelo athi wena baba vele njalo uyacabanisa, instead ukuthi ucisha umlilo, instead of putting on a fire extinguisher, you're like sort of like making umlilo ukuthi uvuthe kakhulu. Athi and then Mpumelelo brings the issue ukuthi how nami manje sekuthiwa I knew about indaba number 5, and I mean I didn't know like that time when you guys went to meet number 5 at the gate that day of the ceremony kaMseleko. Now the abakhosikazi like oma wami sebang-accuse ukuthi mina I knew about number 5. And then uMakhumalo athi hawu uyazini noma Ngwabe, they said no uyazini, it was just a discussion around the table, it was not right ukuthi siyamxabanisa or anything like that. It was just a discussion around the table. Sixoxela nje sidlala naye uMpumelelo ukuthi uMpumelelo knew about number 5 that day when she came. And then uMpumelelo athi uyabona baba ngixabanisa noma wami, athi Mangabe unless umayeni uyena ke the one that went off on uMpumelelo, thina nje besidlalela noma Khumalo sithi nje uMpumelelo knew, but it was nothing serious nje, it was just a discussion around the table. Athi uMpumelelo uyabona baba, now I'm in trouble. My mothers think that I knew about number 5, but now I didn't know. So manje, now baba khona la, they're here, please clear my name. Hi, athi uMseleko also blame mina manje, like they had an exchange. Athi uMseleko okay fine, ngiyavuma ke uMpumelelo did not know about number 5, it's all me. If someone wants to blame anyone, they must blame me. And then while they're busy like exchanging words, uMpumelelo noMseleko, uSne uthi uyazini uMpumelelo like the way akhuluma ngakhona nobaba ngiyithanda. I don't like the way Mpumelelo speaks to my father. It's like it's disrespectful. Umpilo also had something to say. And she doesn't like, she does not understand the dynamics of their relationship kaMpumelelo nobaba wakhe, because the way they speak, the way Mpumelelo speaks to Umseleko is distasteful. Like the way Mpumelelo addresses his father, it's like they're the same age. Like as you can't even tell who's the elder, who's the young one, because relationship but the way ngakho. And then Umseleko gets okay fine. I'm clearing your name. You had nothing to do with the number 5. It was all me. And then Umseleko says, okay, fine, let's discuss. Umseleko, why is Mpumelelo bringing this now? So causing Ngxabano. Because we're in vacation, we are not here to study inking. But he's the one who started discussing inking as Gasni. Anyway, Atum said, okay, let's move on from that. I'd say, okay, fine, let's discuss, make a list of groceries because this is a self-catering place. All of them kept quiet. No one said anything about the groceries. Atuma Khumalo nje yena, every time she speaks, uvela kuthiwe uyapapa. So manje nje, since she was not there when they were called in the meeting, telling them this is a self-catering place, now manje she's just going to keep quiet, ayithulele, and not get involved because akasafuna accuswa ngokupapa. Bathule ke bonke, athule uMangwabe, athule uMayeni. And then seeing that everyone is quiet, uLwandle athi, it's fine dad, I'll go buy the food. Athuke uMayeni uthi hawu, go buy what food wena, because what food are you going to buy? But she didn't say anything. She just looked at her like in shock. And then Atum said, okay, fine. Whatever he buys, that's what you're going to cook. So now Ulwandle is going to go buy groceries, and whatever Ulwandle buys, that's what the wives are going to cook, because none of them had anything to say. And then Atum said, there's nothing I've been done for these women, but then every chance they get, they just want to like make it seem like Minanko right or anything like that. Anyway, Baskhombisa ke usamke is having is calling this designer she saw on Instagram to come and take her measurements, to come and discuss her dress. Apparently, she's going to have a gifting ceremony. She's going to have umembezo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Umembezo, a gifting ceremony where umndeni kaMseleku or her family takes gifts to the other family. And then then the guy, apparently the guy has nice designs on Instagram, so she wants the guy to do her dress. Guy took measurements and she showed her designs that she likes. And then Samge calls Umseleku, phones Umseleku, tells him, good, I miss you, unjani, right? And they're like, okay, fine. And then anyway, telling him that he misses her and that at Umseleku, you'll see me soon. And then Umseleku goes to see Umayeni. I took Umayeni ngibonanga since yesterday, last night ngibona manje breakfast, just want to check ukuthi you okay. Athi Umayeni wena ngibona nginjani. Athi Umseleku hayi ubona ka right. Athi okay kusho ukuthi ngi-right ke. And then they talk at how, so what's happening? Why did you come late? Do you go to work? Yeah, I did. And then then tells her about Umnini was crying and all that. Umnini drama. Like they both knew they knew I went to work. After work I'm gonna come and then we're gonna come to the trip. But Umnini is just dramatic. As I said, Umnini nje unamaqhinga ofana nobabakhe, ufuza ubaba wakhe. How is it that Umnini was crying but Obanzi was not crying? So uyabona nje ukuthi Umnini uyasangana nje Umnini. And then they talk athi uShibase athi Umseleku uzolala kwaShibase namhlanje. He's going to sleep at Shibase's room. Athi Shibase cha ukwazi ukulala la ngeke ukwazi ukulala lana. Kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe uzolala nomnini. You sleep with Mnini because he's got an extra bed at how kanjani? How can I sleep with Mnini while I don't even do that at home? Athe awukwazi ke kulala nami uzolala nami la uzogula. And then she says ukuthi like uzolala athi banje ngolalaphi because nakwaNombela ngisafuna. Athi shothi ngizoya kwaMakhumalo ke ngolala khona kwaMakhumalo. Athi Umseleku hawu kahle ngumthetho kufuna ngizela because apparently he's following the rooster, so it was apparently Mayeni's day. So but then Mayeni is like cha awukwazi ukulala la uzolala nomnini. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.